Hello everybody, it's a pleasure to announce our Fachpodium with the title Soil Microbial Diversity is Crucial for Plant and Planetary Health. We would like to show you the latest result on that topic, soil diversity. We are in the epoch of the Anthropocene. That means there are different factors shaping our epoch, but they all based on our human activity. And this resulted already in a biodiversity crisis, but also in a climate crisis and nitrogen crisis. And what we know is for the ecosystems, it is that together all these different factors lead to a loss of resilience at all scale of the ecosystem. However, less is known at microbiome scale, and this we would like to explain in our Fachpodium. What is the meaning of the soil microbiome in the Anthropocene, and what is a translation for plant and planetary health? Therefore, we have to consider that the soil microbiome is well connected to plant health. This is clear because a certain amount of microbial diversity of the plants is acquired from soil, but on the other side there is a direct link to human health via food, but also via air and the animal microbiome. Altogether, in our Fachpodium, we will summarize the current knowledge about the anthropogenic influence on plant and interconnected microbiome, and of course the aim is to consider the microbiome, but also to inspire the development of solutions. So Alfred, he is a farmer himself and has also a company and is very active politician as well for the European Green Deal, and he will moderate our session where we first give an overview about the results, and then also we will have a deeper discussion into the topic with you especially. So, and if you want to learn something about the microbiome before, then you can go here to our iMOOCs and learn something about the microbiome and health. So, and hope to see you in January at the Fachpodium.
They are invisible but unimaginably numerous. They represent the essential building blocks of all macroorganisms, but mostly unknown. And in their entirety, they are more powerful than we have ever thought. The microbiota. After 20 years of microbiome research, we can answer fundamental questions like which microorganisms are present in a defined environment, what are they doing at the moment, and what is their potential. All humans, plants, animals, and the remaining higher organisms are home to diverse microbial communities, and their composition is directly linked to health and disease. The functioning of the earth depends on the microbiome and the way the microbiome interconnects life. Human activities, in particular the way we produce our food, interferes with a large share of those interconnections, and we find ourselves in the middle of a global biodiversity and climate crisis. A global food crisis seems inevitable. But there is a flip side of the coin. The microbiome, in its immense diversity, has the potential to help us face our biggest global challenges. And there is an entire universe of microbial functions and compounds still waiting to be explored. Our vision is to understand and manage local and global microbiomes for planetary health. And here, we transfer our knowledge so you can learn various technologies that drive microbiome research. You will also obtain insights into the latest findings related to plant, human, and ecosystem microbiomes. We hope this MOOC will change your view on the small but important inhabitants of the world.